What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this, and if so, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. With that said, the reason I haven't put a video out in a couple days is because Saturday night, today is March 13th, so last Saturday I broke down. Now, I broke down in Gander, Newfoundland, and here's what happened. See this right here? This is called an idler pulley for you who don't know. And my idler pulley, basically there's like a spring in there that gives the tension back. Well, that let go, and when it did, my belt stopped charging. It stopped running the fan to keep the engine cool. So what I had to do is take a bungee cord and stick it in here to get it to do what it needed to do. And I drove it from all the way from Gander to the ferry. Now the ferry is from Gander to the ferry, it's like 6 hours. So I drove 6 hours, got on the ferry, got across, and when I got across, I got it fixed. Now, I didn't record it because, well, to be honest, I was kind of stressed out about it, you know, like that was my main concern, was getting across, getting it fixed, not recording the video. So give me a second, I'm just trying to, I wasn't trying to let's try and fix this there. Okay. Yeah, I wasn't trying to record, I just wanted to get across. You know, plus I was trying to pay attention to my dash, no time for recording, so that's why I didn't do it. But right now we're back in Newfoundland again with another load, and I gotta stop up the road and drop one vehicle in Grand Falls, and then we're heading back to St. John's again. The weather today, shit. Excuse my language, but it's terrible. It's terrible weather. It's like a freezing rain. And just like that, guys, I'm going into the store. Come on, get in there without crying. I got into the store and got myself some sandwiches, pop, a water, and a bag of chips. Gonna get back on the road here. We'll head and deliver this one car to there, and then keep going. Alright, so we just offloaded Nissan one vehicle. I didn't figure I needed to record it as it's raining outside. I don't want to bring the GoPro out. I know it's waterproof, but I just I got the side off so I can easy charge, and I just don't want water getting in there and ruining it. Because if you know, GoPros are not cheap. You know, like this here one was almost $500 when I bought it. So, with that said, I'm gonna go, I think, to A&W here, and I'm gonna grab something to eat right quick, and then I'll get back on the road. Just because I'm feeling kind of hungry. I need to use the washroom anyway, so I'm gonna go over there and grab a burger, and we'll get back on the road. Well, I finally made it down the road to the ferry. It's the next day. My GoPro died in the middle of that yesterday, and I basically just said, you know what, I'm gonna offload those, and I'm gonna go grab the other ones, get them loaded, and get on the road, and get down the road a little bit. And then today, it's so windy that it's pointless, and I know that I don't want to make terrible video. I mean, I'm not really doing anything right now, but, you know, it doesn't make sense for me to be outside talking at all with the wind so rough. Well, guys, it's Monday morning, and I'm hoping I get on here at 11 o'clock, 11:30, whatever time that ferry's leaving, because I've been here since Saturday, and it's time for me to get on the road. So if I get on today, that'll mean I'll get across tonight, and then I can at least make it up to Moncton, because this got to go to Moncton and that one's got to go to Moncton, the Toyota. And then these three, I believe all three of these are going to the same spot. They're all going to Sackville, so to the place that I always deliver to. Now I have to remember when I'm going into Sackville there to take that off ramp, because they changed it. It used to go down and then you would turn off, but you got to do it way back before, you know, like they made what do they call those travel roads? You know, you got to go down the travel road to get to the off ramp, instead of the last time I had to go down, up and around the off ramp, back down, up and around it again. Like, it was just a lot of work. So I got to remember that. But yeah, hopefully we get on the road here, get on the boat, and we'll get across, and then we'll figure it out from there. But anyways, I'm just gonna relax in the truck, and we'll come back if I get on. Well guys, we're just waiting to load the boat now. I believe that I'm gonna get on, because we got these 3 trucks, and then me and this other guy here. So we should be getting on, and maybe I'm gonna get to go here now. I don't know how this is gonna work, but here's for hoping. Anyways, gotta get on here. I've been done sitting here. Need to get on the road, make some money, deliver these, get another load, and come back. I don't know where they went now. Oh, over there. Well, let's see what happens. Well guys, we made it to the other side, and I am back on the road. That is right. Thank God. Let's shift the gear here. There we go. Yep, I'm back on the road, so we're gonna head deliver these tonight. It's gonna be dark, but we're gonna load tomorrow back in Dartmouth, heading back for the Newfoundland ferry. So let's go. Well guys, I got it all loaded, and you know what? The rain stops. The sun starts to come out after I'm finally done. As you can tell, glasses are still full of rain. But here we go. We're loaded up, ready to get out of here. So I'm gonna get on the road because I want to get down. My boots are soaked. These are supposed to be waterproof boots. They're not waterproof. I think what happened is these pants I'm wearing and this tracksuit, like, I think what it is it's so water resistant, like the water rolls down it, and I think it went into my boots. Oh, and I'm frozen. Like, I'm so wet, it's not even funny. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these boots off right now, and I'm gonna take my socks off, and I'm gonna put on my shoes with a new pair of socks, so at least my feet aren't, you know, soaking wet. But once I get down the road, I'm gonna grab a shower at the Irving Big Stop there in Port Hawkesbury. My hat's soaked too, like everything's just soaked. Anyways, let's get going. Well guys, it's Thursday morning, and I've been here since Wednesday night at the ferry. As you can see, all the vehicles, all the trucks that are here. They had more lines. They got rid of a couple lines yesterday. Now, I believe for sure there's these 2 lines here, 2 or 3 lines over here at the end are still ahead of me, along with these people in front of me. Because when I came here, this line and that line were pretty much empty. So don't know for sure if I'll get on today or if it'll be tomorrow. If I do get on today, I'd probably be like the last vehicle again if I did, but I'm very skeptical that I won't. We'll see, but I don't think I will. So I've been here since Tuesday night. It's now Thursday morning, so, and it'll probably be Thursday night. So, but I think after this run, I'm gonna take a break again because I spend most of my time just sitting in the truck waiting to get on the boat, and I need to get away from the truck for a day, right? Like, and just relax and enjoy myself. So, if I don't get on this morning, I'll get on tonight, and yeah, we'll see. But with that said, I'm gonna go back to drinking my coffee because I walked to Tim Hortons. I don't know if you can see, but Home Depot's right there. Tim Hortons is right beside it. I walked over there and got myself a coffee. That's what I like about this terminal compared to the other one in Newfoundland. Like, everything's right here. There's a Subway right there. Tim Hortons is right there. You know, like, it's so convenient. I wish the one in Newfoundland had that stuff closer. Or if, when they were canceled, that they would offer a shuttle to Tim Hortons and back at certain times of the day, right? Just the convenient the drivers that are there waiting to get on the boat. But anyways, it is what it is. So with that said, I'm gonna wait, drink my coffee, and we'll see what happens here this morning. Well guys, we didn't get on the boat. The boat is over there, it's already loaded, and we didn't get on it. Well, I didn't get on it, which I kind of assumed I wouldn't, because there's so many trucks here. Like, there's still, I mean, if you can see, like, there's a lot of trucks here, and a lot of these trucks were here before me. So if I do get on, it'll be tonight. Now if I don't get on tonight, which I gotta be prepared that it could be a possibility that I don't get on tonight either, but if I don't get on tonight, it would be first thing tomorrow I would get on. So I am hoping I do get on tonight. I really do. You know, because if I get on tomorrow, I don't want to drive all night, but I'll be kind of forced to, because I need to make some miles, you know, to make the paycheck worth the time, right? Like, I make money sitting here, but I make more money with my mileage, right? You know what I mean? So I gotta be able to at least get enough mileage to make justification of it. So, and right now I'm only at like 700 miles, so you know, I need to get over and back. But it is what it is. That's the way life goes. Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down. Right now, it just sucks, but we're gonna keep waiting, and hopefully I get on tonight. We'll come back with an update. Well guys, we made it on the ferry. It's nighttime, so I got on, and wasn't sure I was going to, because they put a lot of trucks on before me, and I was like, oh no, I'm not gonna get on. But it looks like I'm on, and I'm gonna go up and grab my ticket, and we'll go to my room. And just like that, we're in my room. Oh, light gonna turn on? Oh, there we go. Just like that, guys. We're in the room. When I first got here, they were talking about how I wasn't getting my own room now. I literally told them, I said, if I have to, I'll sleep next to someone, but I prefer to have my own room. I don't need no grubby man sitting next to me while I'm sleeping. So, I'm allowed to, what's the word? Voice my opinion after sitting here for 2 days. I think I have the right to voice my opinion where I should have my own room on this here boat, because it's not my fault that you guys you know, have to cancel the boat every second day because of weather. And you know, I understand it. Like, I'm not saying that, you know, like the weather, you know, like I'm not saying that that's, you know, not safe doing what you're doing, or, you know, like it is safe. It's definitely safe. I mean, last thing we need is a boat underwater. But you know, I shouldn't have to suffer as a paying customer to have to share a room with someone else. Like, we're already, when we come in as a trucker, we already got our room. It's already paid for when we pay at the gate, right? And then we get the upgrade to be alone. So anyways, and that costs more. So we pay, like, I think it's like $45 for a room, and then on top of how much we pay for the truck or whatever, right? Like, it's, and then you pay the $100, well, $94 upgrade so that you have your own room. And yeah, I'm kind of tired now, so excuse me if I'm not full of energy and ready to go, because it's been a long day sitting in my truck. So yeah, I'm gonna get a shower and get some sleep. We'll catch you guys in the morning. Well, we're about to get off the boat, guys. We made it to the other side, and we are about to get off the boat, and I am going to hit Tim Hortons right away, because I love to have a coffee. So in a minute we'll get off the boat and head for Tim Hortons, get the coffee. I got to put some coolant in my truck too, because it's beeping. It's got a very, very slow leak, like almost, you know, like nothing. So we'll get her there in a second. Well, after sitting at the ferry on the other side for 2 days, we're across, and I did get my coffee. I just had my farmer's wrap, double stacked every morning. Yeah, that's what I get. I get my coffee and a double stacked farmer's wrap every morning that I possibly get. Now, it may not be right away, but I always get it. I'll always stop at Tim Hortons and get it. But with that said, I'm going to end the video here. Hope you enjoyed this, and we'll catch you on the next one.